Alright guys, so what I'm going to show you here is just a quick fix to the heating issue sometimes when you run the stock BLXs hard, straight out of the box. You know, a couple of people have been complaining about overheating issues. Well, me, I haven't experienced that yet because as you can see, I probably only ran this thing one time. But I'm just going to do this anyway, which is the Tekin 25 by 25 by 10 high flow fan, which is a direct fit right inside this stock setup here. It's probably going to be like a 5-minute install right here, hopefully. So what we're going to do is keep this stock housing right here to use on the new setup. I don't know if you guys can see that there. That glare from the light is probably screwing up the part number, but yeah, there you go. So there's a reason I went with this Tekin one as opposed to the Rocket RC one that everybody else get. This comes with a longer cable. See, I have one of the other Rocket ones that I installed in my previous video, but that cable was maybe half the size of this one. And I had to buy an extender in order for it to plug into the receiver. Try to wrap this a little nice because it's a little more than we need right now. But I got a bit light there. Just to twist it. Just to clean up that tangle a little bit. Start plugging these back in. And what do you know? I don't have a battery to be able to test this right now. Give me 1 sec. Alright, so we're going to plug it up, make sure everything is good. Receiver on. gotta do a better job of checking that. Very good. Way better airflow now. Way better. Alright, that's it for this video.